Hey guys, we're gonna open my mini babies. I hope I get the baby that I want.
And which baby do you want?
It's like on a stroller or like that bouncy thing. And the color, I want the like my half, like the black one. Yeah,
Okay.
I want the black baby. Alright, let's open this one.
Okay, guys. Let's see if she's gonna get the black baby like she wanted. It said 12 to collect, so these are the first two Roger's been using so far.
Yeah, I had one before.
And we're not gonna stop until we get the full 12. Is that right?
Yeah.
I hope we know how to keep buying the same ones over and over.
Yeah. Finally got it open.
Okay.
Oh my god.
You got it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, more flaccid?
Yeah.
Oh, it's too much flaccid. Wow, they wrapped that up good, didn't it?
Whoa.
Okay.
I do not want to open.
Okay, well, you gotta open.
This is the baby.
All right, how you know that's a baby?
Because I feel it. Okay, I don't want to open that.
You're not gonna open that one first? Okay, guys, she opened this one. What we got?
It's a bed.
It's a bed with
What is this?
It's like a hat.
Oh, yeah.
What you got? A hat
Yeah,
or a beanie?
I think
Wait a minute. What is that? That's a bed or a pillow?
No, it's for like the head.
What is that little rubber piece on the bed then? That's the pillow?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, I know what it is. I know what baby it is.
She know what baby. How you know what baby it is?
Because I saw.
Wait, show everybody that. What is
Okay.
that? That's the cradle?
No, it's the crib.
It's the crib, guys, and it comes with the instruction book over there as well.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, that's cool. All right. Let's see what's next. Oh, we got a baby.
It's a white baby.
A white baby. That's what I just said, a white baby.
I got two of these.
You got two of those?
Yeah, the face is kind of like the same.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at the cute little baby. What you gonna call him? That's a he, right?
Yeah.
What you gonna call him?
Oh, I think there's some clothes. No.
Oh, we got more stuff?
No, there's no clothes.
Jesus Christ, for $7, that's all we get, plus tax. I think y'all got
the baby no clothes.
y'all got over me and Rachi on that one. No way, we just paid $8 for that. And that's all we get. Really, Raj? That's all they gonna give us? My baby's so pretty. Look at her. Oh, pretty curly hair.
Okay, let me open the rest of the
I love her
stuff.
so much. All right. Wait a minute. What is this, Raj? That's a pamper, right?
Oh,
Yeah. We got a little pamper. Little pamper, guys.
OMG, I thought it didn't have no clothes, but it actually do.
Okay. We're about to open ball number 2. I got all type of stuff, guys. It's got a little slime. We're gonna do a video about this here too. We're gonna do a separate video about slime. Show y'all a different slime that she's gonna open. Like,
Yeah, I got like so much
she got
slime.
glitter slime. We're gonna do a separate video about slime, though.
Okay.
Right now, we're doing the video about
This baby, my mini baby.
my mini baby, and it's gonna be dope. Girl, wait till I do your thumbnail. My mini baby.
Wait, hold up. This the baby that I got.
Which one? Show everyone the baby you got. Which one?
This one.
You sure?
Yeah, because it got the hat.
Okay. So
And
that'll be
I wanted this baby.
that'll be baby number 2 for it. Baby number 7?
No, baby number 1.
Baby number 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
I really hope this is Because then I'm gonna be mad a little. But guess what? I don't care.
You don't care about what? You can't open it? Every time, guys. She's trying her best.
Got it.
Let's go get it. Alright, she is so anxious to open it.
I think this is.
Huh?
I think that's the crib.
You think that's what?
I think that's the crib, and this is the baby.
Okay.
Yep, the baby is white. You can even tell.
How you can tell, Raji? You ain't even looked at the baby yet. That could be a black baby.
No.
Oh, she might be right. It might be the same little baby.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a different crib this time, right? Yeah, boy.
Yeah,
Oh.
boy, and it
I'm
got
such a
some
bad cameraman. I
toys.
am such a bad cameraman. Y'all apologize for, we don't have our microphone, so y'all can hear us the best way you can. Next video, I'll make
I
sure
dropped
that
the toy.
Oh my God, what kind of toy is that?
It's those toys.
I don't understand what it is. It's like a hard 3 dots.
Oh yeah, I know what it is. I know what it is. Cause you can see that diaper.
That's
See,
a diaper?
it's this baby.
Sure is. That'll be the last baby. That'll be baby number 12. So she got baby number 12.
How
So
can
what you gonna do, Raj? We're gonna keep up with this and put it up somewhere and put a check by baby number 12 and put a check by that baby. So that way we'll know all the babies you got and what babies you need to collect. Guys, we're gonna make sure we're gonna collect all 12 of these babies.
Oh my God, more toys!
We got more toys, guys. Oh, look at there. More toys. We got
Oh my
more
God.
toys. Those are some nice looking toys, too. Oh my God. What are you doing, Roger?
Oh, I see it. I see the other toy.
You see the other toys?
Yeah.
And we got one more. Roger got to open so we can see the baby
No.
and know what type of baby we got.
Yeah, cause
Ain't that right, Pep? Pep over there chilling in the box. She love her little box. Pep, Pep. That beautiful Peppy. I love Pep. You mess with Pep, you got to mess with me. And Wawa. No, we ain't going. Now, Pep is.
no. What color is it?
It looked the same, but I'm gonna let you be the judge of that. What you think, guys? That's the same baby. It's a black baby.
No, it's not.
Okay, she didn't get a black baby. Unfortunate. Is there any black babies on here? Of course it is. There's 4 black babies and 8 white babies. So right now we got baby number 12 and we got baby number 6. But we're not gonna stop until we collect all the babies.
Yeah, I don't know how you built this.
You don't know how.
I think you built it like this.
Okay. Now Roger's building the baby's house. She's unwrapped all the gift.
All the stuff.
All the stuff. Right. This is Roger's channel and her. So she's running the show. This is Big Raji World channel. Big Raji. You're right. My daughter was using the word big way before Lotto and all them. Big Mom and all them. She was Big Raji years ago. But I just wouldn't listen to her. She's always saying, I don't want to be Raji Way. I want to be Big Raji. I'm like, but Raji, you so little. And she was so little tiny back then. And now she had growing her figure.
I got it.
She eat a lot of bread. And a lot of noodles. What's your favorite pack of noodles? What are your
It's
favorite?
like those chicken.
Chicken noodles.
No,
yeah.
it's not that. It's like the chicken that like blow fire.
Oh, she would be talking about the Chinese chicken. It's like a Chinese chicken thing on it, correct?
It starts like with a B.
Maybe.
Yeah, Boca, whatever. Loca.
Right, correct. Mocha. Gotcha. But there we go. You know, what you're doing?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know if you need an assistant.
Okay. I got 3 white babies.
Okay. That's cool.
That's not cool.
Well, it's not cool. I mean, but so the other set, you know the other one there, so we can match that to this paper, so we can see which one you got already. Okay, yeah. So that way we can check it off the list. If you got it already, no need. Go check it off the list.
Oh my god. This is so awful.
What?
Finally.
What happened? Did it break?
No, it's just that it won't clip. Okay, now.
There we go. She is good, y'all. Y'all see Roger really putting this stuff together like Bob the Builder. Raji the Builder. That's her name, Raji the Builder. We don't call her Raji the Builder. Of course. Make sure that's the right way to go, or it's the other way. That's right, Rod.
Yeah.
How you know?
Because the diaper is in the front.
I was saying, like, is it like right on the other side, or is it upside down?
What, this?
Like, should it? Oh, okay. See, like I was saying, should you turn it this way? Yeah. I think that's the last time I go. See, I gotta do a lesson sometime. I gotta do a lesson sometime. You're welcome. Look at that guy. She had been struggling with it, you know. But that's Taraja. She's so impatient. That's well, I should have. Her nickname should have been impatient.
You're rude.
I'm not rude, baby. I'm just talking. And she is so good at what she's doing though, because she don't need no instruction book, as you guys see. It will go in the spot in the middle.
Okay.
She don't need no instruction book. You see that? You guys see? She is doing her thing. She is almost done with it. Roger the Builder. No. Are we gonna put the pamper on the baby, or? Oh, those are accessories. I get it now. No, do it. I don't think it would go on the bottom.
Yeah.
I maybe you should have put those on at first, then put that.
No, look.
No, I'm saying.
No, you gotta put
I know.
the toys on there.
I'm saying, you think you should have put it in there first, then put this on, or that's okay, like in there. See, I told you, cause yeah, I gotta go on the bottom. You got it? There you go. That's why you should have put it on like I told you first. What?
We so quiet.
We quiet?
Yeah, they don't like when we quiet.
They don't like we quiet? I'm watching you. Okay, my bad, guys. She said we quiet, but I mean, you know, this is how normally me and her would be like loud if the camera wasn't in here, but I'm watching her, and at the same time I have stuff on my mind while I'm recording, but I will make sure to record her, brother.
Change the baby diaper.
All right, we about to change the baby diaper. Change the baby diaper. Is that diaper right? Ready?
Yeah.
Look at you. You are always pro. Have you done this before? I cannot tell. What you think, guys? The way look how she put this back on. She have done this before. Let me find out. Let me find out. You have a problem doing it?
No.
I'm sorry, you know, just. All right. There we go. Okay, wow, guys, look at that. You guys can find these toys
At Target.
at Target and what, Walmart probably should have them too.
Yeah.
Target and Walmart have them. They're called, what they call, Raji?
My mini baby.
My mini baby. So you see how cute that is? And they come with all these accessories. So you guys better go get them. They sell it.
There's a lot at Target.
Yeah, there's a lot at Target. So Target would be the #1 place that you should go to get these. They're called, once again, like I said, My Mini Babies, and they're $70.99. So go ahead and rack up and get your collection on. You know, because Raji getting her collection on, and we're not gonna stop until she get the other 10. So far she got 2, so we need 10 more to go. Well, actually 9 more to go because she already had one, right?
No.
You said you got one already.
Yeah, but I don't know where the rest of the stuff at.
So we can't count Della, man, because she don't have all the accessories, so she probably don't even know what the baby had either. So we just